And Jesse, obviously, I was there yesterday when they were debating whether to sort of call off the overnight march. And boy, based on everything I heard overnight, that turned out to be a very good call.
Yeah, we saw winds of 60+ miles per hour with that line of storms that moved through. Lots of lightning, very heavy rain.
Yeah.
And now we're getting still some heavy rain
across
the area. Yeah, so let's start with this. You can actually see the thunderstorm there in the background. They're 83 degrees. The high today, the normal is 87. Outside now, it's 70 at DFW. Here's the latest look at radar. So we have this rain across the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and a vast majority of this is just rain, thunder, and lightning. We did have and this may get canceled sooner. We'll watch, but there could be up to quarter-size hail in this very small cell between Burleson and Benbrook. So moving into Tarrant County, it is in Tarrant County as we speak. So we'll watch that cell. That again could produce up to quarter-size hail as it kind of lifts to the north-northeast down to downtown Fort Worth. We have a flash flood warning in effect for parts of Jack and Wise counties. This band of rain has kind of been sitting in the same place, dumping 2 inches of rain over the last hour to 2 hours. So we'll be watching that as well. But again, overall, the severe threat, we'll keep it on the low end as we go through the rest of this evening. So again, that storm that was in Johnson County, it has weakened. We are watching. I'm just reading over here that it has weakened. So again, that warning may be canceled sooner than later. There's that flash flood warning to the northwest of Fort Worth. So for the rest of tonight, scattered showers and storms will continue. The risk of severe will stay marginal at best, meaning that we might see a storm pulse up briefly, like we're seeing in Johnson County moving into Tarrant, where it could produce quarter-size hail. And then as we go through the evening, the severe threat will stay to the south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And some heavy rain, some lightning and thunder, that's really it. Quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds will be possible in the strongest storms. Then 3 o'clock in the morning, there'll be some showers and storms from Graham to Bowie and Gainesville. These are not expected to be severe, and they'll actually collapse fairly quickly as we go into very early Tuesday morning. Thunderstorms moving southeast. They'll dissipate, so there may be a lingering sprinkle or shower early Tuesday, but overall the threat for severe weather goes down. The chance of rain is 0 by the time we get to mid-morning on Tuesday. Flood watch will remain in effect for the Metroplex and areas east and south. Again, we could see an additional 1 to 3 inches in spots, kind of like we're seeing in Jack and Wise County right now with the heavy rain sitting over the same areas. Then tomorrow, it's just a partly sunny day. There's noon. Nothing. That's good. It's okay. It's all right to have a quiet day, and temperatures are pretty comfortable too for this time of the year, as highs will only be in the lower 80s, which is below the normal of 87. 20% coverage of rain Wednesday, 40% Thursday. A very low chance for a couple of strong storms Wednesday and Thursday. It's really not an organized severe weather threat. Friday and Saturday, extremely low chance of rain both Friday and Saturday. So that's the rain coverage over the next 5 days. Tonight, a comfortable night, 66 degrees, scattered thunderstorms. Like we're seeing, we might see a severe storm pop up very briefly with some hail up to quarter size or winds 50 to 60 tomorrow. Partly sunny, a pleasant day, 81 degrees. Winds will be light out of the north, 5 to 10 miles an hour. All right, 14-day. Enjoy those low 80s. Just do it while you can. 81 Thursday, 82 Friday. We're warming back up. Next week, once we get through this week, we stay in the 80s. By the end of next weekend and the following week, we're back into the middle and upper 80s, and then back to the 90s before long. And it looks like we'll take a break from the rain chances. Again, Friday and Saturday, really low chance. Then beyond that, we stay dry. June 1st, that first week of June looks fairly dry. And on the warm side, too, as highs climb back into the middle 90s. So, like I said, just enjoy these comfortable days while you can.